This is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT63, and this is a race car. When you look at this AMG GT63, it screams race car with 4 doors. From the exterior paint, which is matte black, and the black wheels, this car just screams brutality and aggressiveness. And it's very wide as well. So let's go over to the front. And the first thing you will notice is this Pan America grille, which dominates the front end, and vertical slats. Over to the center, it's got this massive Mercedes star, and on the top of it, the front-facing camera. Over to the left side, you can see you got the AMG badge down there, and you can see how massive this front end is. And also, it's got huge air intakes. So on the right side here, all the way to the left side, with its middle section opening up for aerodynamic and air cooling of the engine. Now for the carbon fiber exterior package, you can see for the front splitter, it's got carbon fiber over the front. And if you go over to the side, now another piece of the carbon fiber package comes with this mirror. So over here, you can see he's got the mirror in carbon fiber, and also camera for the 360 view. And if you go down to the bottom section, the side skirts in carbon fiber as well. So again, carbon fiber throughout the whole exterior. And let's go over to the back. Now, this back looks brutal. Now, the first thing I'll point out is this rear carbon fiber spoiler. This thing is massive and also looks really nice. This is part of the package. This is part of the AMG carbon fiber package. So really, really awesome in this car. And the next one is this bottom section, which is the diffuser. Again, check this out. Carbon fiber throughout the whole back of it. And also take a look at this quad exhaust. And this thing sounds immaculate. So on the top here, it's got the AMG right on it. So take a look at this. This thing looks awesome and very, very aggressive. Another package in this car is a midnight package. So everything chrome is blacked out. So for the AMG here, it is blacked out, and the middle section, again, the star is blacked out, and the GT63. So midnight package blacks out everything. Now for the horsepower, this is the 4-liter Biturbo V8 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Now this puts out 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, which from 0 to 60 is about 3.3 seconds. So this car is a supercar level speeds, and this is pretty fast. Again, twin turbocharged, and this is very massive engine here. So as we know, for the Mercedes engine, one man, one engine, the plaque of who made it is always stamped right on there. So very massive and also very, very fast car. And for the air suspension too, that lowers at speeds to enhance the agility and the aggressiveness of this car. I think you can really enjoy this car on the track, and especially put this on the sports mode. Now, comfort mode, again, it has the air suspension. It'll also smoothen out the drive when you're on comfort mode, and I believe this is also a daily car. Looking at the side of the AMG GT63, you can see how long and imposing it looks. Low to the ground, thanks to the air suspension that can lower at speeds to enhance aerodynamic efficiency and stability. Looking at the wheels, now this one comes with 21-inch black multi-spoke wheels, and this looks gorgeous. And especially for the width, it's 275s, so pretty wide track for this, and it's a Michelin Pilot Sports tire. And take a look at these brakes, very massive brakes. And these are the high-performance ceramic composite brake systems. I love this contrasting bronze brake calipers, which looks very, very nice in this color. Looking at the rear, they're 21-inch as well, but much wider track at 3/15s, so pretty wide for this track. And for the rear, it has active rear wheel steering, which helps enhance the agility and stability of the AMG 63. All right, so we're in the interior, so let's go ahead and start the car. So first things first, foot on the brake and start it up. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the interior real quick. So it comes with carbon fiber trim. So you can see over the door, full carbon fiber trim and yellow stitching as well, which really looks nice in the interior. Bang & Olufsen speakers. This sounds really nice. And take a look at the whole front here. Again, it comes with this yellow stitching throughout the whole top here. Carbon fiber on the bottom section here. And also down on the middle section, we'll pull this out. Carbon fiber trim, which looks really nice. Now over to the steering wheel. Again, this comes with carbon fiber on the top here, and also it's got this black 12 o'clock mark over there. And the bottom section, it's got this carbon fiber with the AMG sign over there. I love how the steering wheel looks. It is very thick, especially when you're racing or even driving normally. This thing is very grippy, very, very big as well. So on this left side here, you can control the dashboard with this section here and also cruise control buttons there. On the right side, you can control the infotainment system with this section here. On the bottom section, it's got your phone connection. So on the left side here, now this one has multiple functions. So right now, it's got the suspensions. You could either turn it on to Sports or Sports Plus, and also the AMG Dynamic. Let's go a little closer. So either Sports or Pro, and also when you press it, it has other functions as well. Like this one here pulls up the camera. So once you do that, that shows the camera on the dashboard, on the infotainment. You can press it again, and that is traction control. So basically, this too serves both functions again. Now this one here is the valve. So when you press that, you could turn it on, and obviously the car sounds incredible. So you can turn it off, press it again, and this is your transmission. And on the right side, it's got the mode. So let's see here. This one here is the comfort mode. So when you twist it, this is the sports mode. And next one here is the Sports Plus. And for the right button, so when you press home, that controls this section. And also, you can control the infotainment system with this button here. Also, it's touchscreen, and another section is this section, which you can control that infotainment system with this function here. So if you do home, that also controls that. So let's go through this real quick. So this one, let's do the navigation first. Pretty wide. So we'll go back home. It's got the radio, media, comfort, AMG, track pack, performance, Mercedes and me. So let's do this actually. So when you go here, another warning sign. So again, you have your track race, drag race. So again, you could time your speed, telemetry, and option. So a lot of things to play with in this AMG GT63. So we'll go back to home. You can go to the AMG Performance. Again, you can see all the stats. You can see the engine, consumption, and dynamic select. So a lot of things you can control with this. And also, the system is very, very fast as well. And you go down to the bottom section again. This turbine type vent, which looks really nice. And control it just like that. Carbon fiber trim. On the lower section, it's got the climate control section. Pull this back. Again, it reveals the cup holder and a USB-C down there. Going on to the bottom section, you can control your drive mode with these buttons as well. Also, right on this section as well. So both sections, basically the same thing as well. So for the exhaust again. And this part is just to lay your hand while controlling it. Over to this section, once you press that, that opens up, and a little storage there, and a wireless charger down there as well. So there you have it, the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT63. Let me know if you would buy this car, or you would buy its competitor, the BMW M5 CS. Now, that car, again, is another brutal car. But this one here, I believe it's even more brutal. The sheer power, the sheer aggressiveness of this car, especially for this one in particular, the black matte color and the black wheels, this car just looks menacing, and also very low to the ground thanks to the air suspensions. So I want to give a big shout out to Porsche of St. Paul for allowing me to do a video of this car, and it's on sale right now, and it's a 2023 model, so the current price is $139,000. So pretty spendy, but it is a lot for a car. 577 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. I believe this car can beat most of some sports cars, and also even hypercars. But it is a very fast car, and also very, very balanced. The sound in this thing is just brutal, especially when you put this on sports mode. So $139,000, I think is a steal at this point. If you're in the market for this AMG GT63, go ahead and make an inquiry. Overall, thanks a lot for watching my video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and press that like and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think about this car, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT63. And again, thanks a lot for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.